Hi everybody, this is pork lard. Um, Here, let me sum up how I make it. I just put the pork fat in the pot here, and I turn on the electric, and then cook it slowly. And sometimes I have to use the spatula to move around the pork fat so they can extract fat out. So here is finally I done it, and now I remove the pork lard, and then this one probably I leave a little bit cooking a little bit more to get some fat out, because these I add later. I didn't add at the same time. All of them at the same time. This one I add first, and later I said, okay, I have more, and I add, and that's why this is still white. When you cook, you see it's a kind of golden brown. That is ready. Most of the time, it's no. They still have some fat juice and fruit in here, but you use it for something like a noodle soup, or like you eat it, it's just okay. You don't have to extract all of them. So now I remove this liquid out, fat liquid out, and I cook a little more this to get more fat liquid. So that is how I made the pork lard. Then I will sum up. I will bundle the video to add some strip under the video clip so you can see how clearly. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.